21. Which of the following best describe the function of RNA polymerase? Polymerase here is an enzyme which specified with RNA. Let's go to its function. It reads templates, DNA strand 5 to 3, 5' to 3', maybe, and senses a DNA strand from 3' to 5'. I don't know. It read B. It read template RNA strand 5' to 3', and sense the DNA from 3' to 5'. It's confused, but will we go? It will be choiced. It read template DNA strand 5' to 3' and sensed RNA. Wow, RNA. Don't be confused. Strand 5' to 3', RNA 3' to 5'. D. It reads a template DNA strand means 3' to 5' and senses RNA strand from 5' to 3'. Let's go to the answer. It will be a template. Template. Read a template of DNA. It will read. Read. RNA. Read. Polymerase. Read. DNA strand from 3' to 5', then sensed RNA strand 5' to 3'. We know now what are the function of RNA polymerase. Read, then sensed. What sensed? RNA strand from 5 to 3. Let's go to 22. 22 ribosomes exist as separate subunit. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm of each cell. Ribosomes found in the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes help in protein synthesis. It is the site of protein synthesis found in many cells. Enrich that the cell need a protein, like some cells which produce enzyme in the digestive system or other cells. Let's go to the question again. Ribosome exists as separate subunits that are bound together during protein synthesis. Yes, protein synthesis, that's the ribosomes. What do these subunits consists of? Subunits, it is the base that we are go to synthesize the protein. Let's read the choices. Number A, messenger RNA and protein. B, messenger RNA and transfer RNA. C, ribosomal RNA and protein. That's D, ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. Let's go. That's the base. Yes, ribosomal RNA, it is the base and the protein to make the protein synthesis inside the cell. Let's go to 23. 23, rifampicin. Rifampicin? What? Rifampicin? It's antibiotic. Yes, antibiotic means the poison of some bacteria to kill another bacteria. That's antibiotic. Antibiotic rifampicin is antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis, TB. Tuberculosis is a disease that infects some parts of the body, make as a colitis or tuberculosis to degenerate. It works by inhibiting RNA polymerase in bacteria. The antibiotic inhibits the RNA polymerase in bacteria. Which process are directly inhibited by antibiotics? There are three processes. 1, DNA replication. 2, transcription. 3, ATP synthesis. Yes, I must choose 2 or 3 from this process. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2 only. 1, 3 only, 2 only. I think there is no ATP synthesis. No ATP synthesis. Why? That will kill and stop the action of RNA polymerase in bacteria. So, no ATP synthesis. So, the answer is 1 and 2 only. 1, DNA replication. 2, transcription. No ATP synthesis. Let's go to 24. 24 speak about the shape of the Earth's surface. The shape of the Earth's surface means earth science. We go to earth science. Earth science, geology, let's go. Each of the following change the shape of the Earth's surface except كلهم بيغيروا الشيب بتاع الأرث سيرفيس except واحدة هي اللي هدور عليها. هي مين يا ترى؟ خلينا نقرأ التشويسز. Number A, rotation of the outer core around the inner core. Inside the Earth will rotate and many movement inside the Earth. Let's go. B, underground temperature and pressure. There are difference in the temperature and the pressure underground. Underground means under the Earth's crust. C, winds and torrents. Winds and torrents change the shape of the Earth's surface. Yes, erosion maybe. D, river and lakes. River and lakes means the water on the Earth's surface. Let's go to the answer. I will choose the A1. A, rotation of the outer core around the inner core. Why? It's not affect the Earth's surface. It will affect the undercrust Earth. Yes, the answer is the rotation of the outer core around the inner core. They are two layers under the Earth's crust, not at the Earth's surface or not the Earth's crust. Each of the following change the shape of the Earth's surface except هي دي rotation the outer core around the inner core. Let's go 25. 25 and inorganic solid material. Inorganic, not organic. Let's go. Formed during preparing in the laboratory. This material is not mineral because it is inorganic but not a mineral. Crystallized material, inorganic. Solid material, not formed in nature. That's, yes, not formed in nature, so it will not a mineral. Okay, let's go to 26. 26, when the angle of orthorhombic crystals become different, the crystal system becomes, there are 4 choices. There are 3 axes to orthorhombic crystals. If one axis are different or change from the other, it will become maybe triclinic, monoclinic, tetragonal, or cubic. Which of them is right? The right one, if one axis is different or a change, so the answer will be triclinic. Triclinic is the crystal which formed. 27, what is the region of the sharp edge? Calcitic, which form precious rocks. What is the origin of the sharp edge? Calcitic, which form the precious rocks. Which of them form the precious rocks? Let's read. Sands, gravels, silt, clay. Precious rocks, it must be gravels. The gravels have a precious rocks. Precious edge. Precious rocks. Let's go to 28. 28 speak about the mineral again. From the minerals which are used to building material industries, we have 4 choices: calcite, olivine, anhydrite, sphalerite. We use 2 calcite. Calcite, it go to industries. We use it many industries. Let's go to 29. What are the type of fault? Fault is earth science either. Faults in which the hanging wall move in the direction of gravity. Hanging wall move down in the fault. Let's answer the question, but we read it. Reverse fault, thrust fault, graben, stick slip fault. The answer is graben. Yes, graben. In the direction of gravity, it will be graben. Yes. Let's go to 30. The time relationship of rocks can be determined by, yes, the age of rocks, it will be determined by faults, folds, joints, primary structure. It will be the faults. Faults is determine the age of the rocks. Yes. Let's go to 31. What is the geological structure in which the younger layer is surrounded by older layer? It is will move. That's a movement. Movement because the younger layer is become inside, but the older layer, it will become above. Let's go to the choices. Number E, graben, anticline faults, normal faults, thrust fault. That means graben. The graben, the older one is become outer. The younger one, it will become inside. 32, some mineral deposit of one of the calcium salts were found on the polished rocks and has lines parallel to the rocks movement. It is expected that the structure and the deposit respectively are, let's go to respectively, means structure and expected structure, movement and structure respectively. Let's go. A, fault calcite. B, a fold calcite. C, fold diorite. D, fold gypsum. Let's go to the answer. It is fold calcite. Let's go to 33. 33, from here, there are questions with 2 marks. We must study well. What? Where are the bending side of the transfer lengths that extended from myosin in the structure of the sarcomere found? Here we go to the muscles. Now, muscles function and muscle structure. Let's go to the choices. A, simulated area. Simulated area. B, actin filaments. C, actin filaments and simulated area. D, actin filaments and the dark line Z. Let's go to the answer. The answer is actin filaments. So we must read the question again because there are many confused. Where are the bending side of the transfer lengths that extended from myosin in the structure of sarcomere found? Yes, the answer is number B, actin filaments. No answer but it. Thank you. 34. 34. What is the similarity between vasopressin and aldosterone hormone? There are 2 hormones. One of them, vasopressin, that means dialysis of some capillaries, and aldosterone hormone. Let's go to the choices. A, there are target cells. Target cells. There are the 2 types of hormone affect on the tubes inside the renal duct. But one of them are dialysis and the other is contract. B, the type of their secretory cells. The type of their secretory cells. Number C, stimulus that cause their secretion. D, their chemical structure. Their chemical structure. There are chemical structure are not derived from each other because they are 2 types of hormones. The hormones is a protein. So when we think, we must choose the first one, their target cells. Their target cells. Each of them are effect on another type of cell which has different effect. Let's go to 35. 35, which of the following distinguish the sexual reproduction in avid insect from sexual reproduction in honeybee? There are two types of insect. One of them are honeybee with the colonies with three types of individual inside these cells, inside the colony. Three types: the queen and the male individual. C, nursery. Which of them? Let's read the choices. Number A, which of the following distinguish the sexual reproduction in insect, avid, and honeybee? First choice, production of haploid individuals. B, possibility of producing females. C, production of diploid individuals. D, possibility of producing males. What are the answers? Let's go to the answer. The answer is possibility of producing males. There are two different types of avid and honeybee to producing male.